What is shadow work? Like I have said, I won't like in the last session, inner child and shadow work, I have explained a lot in that. So you could see that video, but still I will give you what is glimpse of what is shadow work. Like I said, shadow work means exploring the hidden emotional parts of ourselves we suppress, avoid, or deny. Like I've given fear, shame, anger, jealousy, emotional pain, vulnerability. These are the, like I will do one activity with you, like tip of iceberg. I'm feeling this. What you are feeling? I have done one activity in the last session, that the mask activity. What I show to the world, what I am. I show to the world that I am a very good listener. Like what actually I am. I show to the world that I'm a perfectionist. What actually I am. What are the mask and the real self? You can do that activity. You can like go to the YouTube and watch that video. That shadow self work, the mask and the, like the mask and the real me. You can draw a line like this, and the mask you are showing to the world, like being that, very good looking girl, good looking boy, be the very funny boy, be the very presentable boy. You show yourself to this world. This is what I am, but actually what you are. I am feeling very happy to this thing, but what actually you are feeling. You can do this activity and map out your feeling. This actually work. The goal is not self judgment. The goal is self awareness and integration. Your shadow is not bad; it's wounded. How shadow is created, like how it is actually created. A journey from trauma to shadow. Something painful experience happened in your life, like it literally overwhelmed your nervous system. It turns into wounds, different kind of wounds: abandonment, rejection, mother, father, authority, neglect, shame, abuse. A lot of wounds are there. It turns into that wounds. When it turns into that wounds, I lost my father. I had that father wound, like maybe it turns into something painful for me. That pain I try to suppress, the pain, the emotion I try to suppress. A painful experience I had that when my father died. I had that abandonment issue. Now what? There is no one for me. Abandonment issue, abandonment wounds. The emotion that shows up was of pain, the sadness, the grief, but I was not allowed to show. So I suppressed that thing, that no, this is not the right moment. I suppressed the emotion. That suppression turned into the anger, resentfulness, anger, grief. It turns into that. This is how shadow is created. And by accepting your shadow, okay, this is my shadow, this is the thing I have to work on this, you actually get out from this loop. It is the hidden emotional parts that become the shadow. The shadow influence triggers relationships, emotional reactions, self-sabotage, validation seeking patterns. What we suppress controls us unconsciously. I'm suppressing my pain, so that pain is controlling me even after 15 years, 20 years. If I still remember that incident and started to cry, that means I'm under that emotion. I have under that emotion. I'm not fully accepted. First step for everything in your life, accept it. Either it's an emotion or a thing or a person or a situation, accept that. He showed you the real faith, accept that. She showed you the real faith, accept that. Something has happened, accept that. I felt this, accept that. This has happened, accept that. I didn't believe this happened in that way, in a good way, accept that. I didn't believe this happened in a bad way, accept that. Accept. Happened. Happened. Now what? Now what? Accept that thing. You can't run. The more you will try to run, the more it will chase you with that force. And trust me, when you will, because after running, there came a point. There will come a point where you have to stand because your legs will give up. Like I can't run anymore. And trust me, when you stand still like this, the from the things you have been running, it will hit you like anything. You have to hit with it like a lot of intensity, lot of emotions, and that time it will be very hard for you to manage those things. So start from this, like start your journey from today onwards, that every kind of emotion, first sit and try to observe what this is emotion and write it, accept it. Okay, I'm feeling. So what? So what? Not in sense ki, so what should I do? So what in sense, yes, now don't shame your feeling ki, why I shouldn't be feeling like this, I should not be feeling like that. Yes, I am feeling, maybe something has happened with me, I am feeling. Okay. How shadow work helps, like understand triggers, emotional awareness, process hidden emotions, stop self-sabotage, break unconscious patterns, build healthier relationships, reconnect with authentic selves. Healing is not becoming perfect, healing is becoming conscious. Like how shadow work helps. It will help you to understand the triggers, from where I am coming, where the trigger is coming. Like the emotional awareness, process the hidden emotion, stop self-sabotage. Like it will literally break your unconscious patterns, help you to build healthy relationships. These are the healing, like how you can heal yourself, like through journaling, like I said, the breath work, grounding practices, nervous system regulation, self-reflection, pattern observation. You can do like like you can draw a map and see emotions I am feeling, what it is telling, in which situation I feel this emotion. I felt angry in situation, someone tell me something, what does that mean to me? You can do that. What does that mean to me? Felt angry, what does that mean to me? It means I'm losing control, what does that mean to me? It means I won't be able to assert something, what does that mean to you? It will literally help you. What does that mean to you? What does that mean to you? After every question, like put a mark and write, what does this mean to me? You will get an answer. Then again, what does this mean to me? Get an answer, what does this mean to me? You will get to know about your core emotion, what actually you are feeling. Today actually a lot, like okay, 4:35 has happened. We will wrap in 10 minutes. We will not do the total activity. I will, you can see this in the uploaded videos. I will guide you through the activities, what you can do. Okay, I will teach you some techniques. It will take more 10 minutes. Whoever has been in the session, thank you for being in the session. It will take more 10 minutes and I will wrap the session. You can ask the question ki, why, which wound affects me the most? What triggers me emotionally? If you want, you can take a screenshot, like a picture, whatever you want. In a free time, you can sit and write this and like know about yourself. What emotions do I suppress most? Whatever we have talked now, like अभी तक हमने जो बात किया है, what do you think that which kind of wound is more prominent in you? Like every wound is interconnected, but what do you feel that that is more in you? Like abandonment wound, father, mother, authority wound. What kind of wound is more prevalent in you? What patterns keep repeating in life? Okay, my toxic, I always jump into unavailable person, either in a friendship or a romantic relationship. It's a pattern. You track your pattern. What I'm afraid people will do to me. आपको क्या लगता है कि लोग क्या कर लेंगे? If you will show your true self, what do you think they will do to you? They will mock you. They will criticize you. They will do what? Write it. Which wounds affect my relationship the most? Like I said, you can write in this thing which wounds have affected you the most. You can take a screenshot of this question, or from the other phone you can take. I will upload, but still you can take the screenshot. It's about the offer that I am taking, like the sessions and that I'm having. You can, through the website, you can reach through. I have pinned all the important links in this. Now I will show you the activities. Okay, you can see the picture. Yes. First, I will tell you not techniques. Then we will proceed to the activity. Like I will tell you the what are the techniques that you can use. Like it's of course everything is the trauma. We focus on relaxing the vagus nerve. You can do breathing exercise. Like I said in last session, double breathing. I put one hand on the chest, on the belly. Inhale and through. Your exhale should be longer than your inhale. Okay. You can do shake. Shake your hands. Standing anywhere, feeling anxious, shake like this, shake like this, shake. It works. Start to play a 2-minute dance song and start to dance. Like when you start to move your body, the emotions that is stored in your body will start to like dislocate everywhere. I will tell you 5 sounds, like 5 sounds for 5 organs. I've written, wait a minute. Okay, if you have a like, if you do shadow work, and if I'm telling you the techniques, tools and techniques, this is not the activity. If you felt that you are being, yes, you are having grief or sadness of something, it affects your lung. It affects your lung. You could feel, no, you are not able to breathe. Someone died, like today happened, that my one of my uncle passed suddenly. So it's a grief. Or maybe something breakup has happened. Maybe you didn't get into like the college that you wanted. For you, it can be grief, sadness. Sadness is felt in lungs. That's why we always try to focus on breathing. What you will do, you take a, like you sit in a whatever activity I will telling you for the 5 important organs of your body, like the liver, like the lungs, spleen. You will sit straight, put your hands on your palm, take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, you will do like opening your mouth, like S sound, like hissing of snake, like how snakes sound. if you're feeling sadness or grief, you will do this. Take a deep inhale and you will do this. You will feel relaxed. Do it as many times you want if you're having sadness and grief. Second one is if you're having kind of fear, like of course, cortisol, the adrenaline thing will release from your kidney. If you're having that fear, it is affected in like kidney part is most affected. You will do the again same thing. You will do like when you blow the kind of how it sound. That sound come like shoot kind of sound. That so will sit straight. Take a deep breath like, and when you exhale, you will do this. Fear. When you are having sadness, fear like blowing out the candle. Now the third one is when you are very like when you are very angry, you are getting very angry. It will affect your liver. Okay? So you will do like breathe and you like not the S, like siswala is S, like this one. When you say na that is SH. And when what I told in the first one, the lungs, that is S, single S. This is the not it's you could understand like is this, like the both lips will be like this one is so take a deep inhale when you're feeling very angry and not the SS thing. You will understand. Take a deep inhale and okay. For the like when you're feeling very angry, SH when you are feeling very sad, when you are feeling fearful, like blowing out the candle. You have to see the sound. If you are not able to understand, I will like type in the chat box also. The S sound when you are sad, the CH like blowing out the candle. How to do that sound when you are having fear, and the S is like when you are having very much anger and frustration. Okay, and when you feel you are very having like it's like a like chakra kind of thing, the heart. When you feel hatred towards anyone, like you're very much disgusted by something, you will do like the kind of. So take a deep inhale. It will be a very big one from the previous three ones. Like we'll say na ha. That will be the sound of when you take a deep inhale, and you will feel that you will feel that a lot of emotions are getting released, and you have to exhale using your mouth, and exhales will be longer than inhale. Only in that case you will feel relaxed. If you're having hatred, ha sound. And the last one is when you are having worry and anxiety that mostly affects spleen, so you can do like the woo sound, not the woo sound. Like you could like you can listen my take a deep inhale, do this, it will sound like a whistle. Okay, we will do a quick revise of thing. When you are having grief, lungs. When you are having fear, like blowing out. When you are having very much anger and frustration, okay. When you are having hatred, this. And when you are having worry, okay, these are the 5 sounds for the 5 places that affect you. These are the tools and techniques. And if you, I think any of you can choose anyone, then it works. That you have to breathe like the breathing exercise. It will relax your nervous system, it will calm you down. If it's not possible, you can also draw the S, like in the air. You can see like from like how you write S, small S. From the lower point you start, inhale, you reach a point, exhale, then again inhale. It will be in a pattern. When you think that you start to it works on overthinking also. If you are overthinking a lot, take a pen and paper and draw S. Like draw S and breathe, When you reach up and down, exhale. Then again, S, inhale, like up. When you take a curve and down, exhale. When you have any kind of thought, stop doing from that and start from the second line. Like if you have any kind of thought came at your mind, stop at that point, like turn to the second point, third point, start from the fresh. You can do that. Breathing always work. You can do the box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale for 4 seconds, then hold. Normal breathing also. If you think it's too much, put a timer of 10 seconds. I will do one, only two. For 10 seconds, I will breathe and breathe out. Just it's an instant, like quick fix. Breathe in, breathe out for 5 times. Like you are anxious, you are having anxiety attack, like you are having very nervous before the speech, you are saying what to say, it works. It instantly calms your mind. It's like 2-minute calm. Breathing or exercises works. It actually calms your vagus nerve. I hope these tools and techniques helps you. We will now come to the activity. I was thinking to do this activity with you all, but you can have this screenshot. You can do at your home, because I think it's I literally appreciate whoever has written in the session till, because it right now it is one of the most lengthy session I have taken till, because I usually close at 5 p.m. So thank you so much for attending in the session. I will send you the certificate after the workshop is over. Okay, you can do this iceberg activity. You can like, if you are from clinical background, you know, above the water, down the water. Like I said, what I am presenting to the world, but what I'm hiding. Above the water, anger, perfectionism, people pleasing, overthinking. Below the water, what that anger is actually showing you: fear, shame, rejection, abandonment. You can write your own. I am feeling not enough, but what that not enough mean to you? Beneath that, it's a fun activity you can do at your home if you want. Like you can take a screenshot of this. You can take a picture of this. Are you able to see it now? Okay. I will try to zoom. Okay. You can take a picture of this. When someone ignores your message, what you feel? I panic. I get angry. I assume they dislike me. I pretend don't care. When someone criticizes you, when a friend cancels plan, when someone succeeds before you, when someone sets a boundary with you, when you make a mistake, when you will tick mostly, you will tick. Maybe you can tick to mostly to the B point or to the C point. You can see that if you're taking to mostly B or C, I'm just giving example, don't stick with this one. You will see that will have been a very common problem in everything, because every question is interlinked. You will come to understand that, okay, this is the feel that maybe I'm feeling painful, maybe I'm feeling shameful, maybe I'm feeling regretful. After doing this, maybe you will get to know about something about yourself. And then after that, first thing, accept. Please accept your emotion. Yes, I am feeling this. Yes, I am feeling this. Yes, I am feeling this. Don't shame. How can I feel this? No, it's your emotion. Your emotions are valid. You are allowed to feel. You are allowed to feel. Please, you are. This is a wound quiz. Okay, I will show you the sentence completion one. Okay, you can also do this. You can, if you want, you can take a photo of this. Okay, I feel most hurt when you feel most hurt. I secretly fear. What you secretly fear? It are mostly based on the wounds that I have taken off, like what I have psychologically about the types of wounds. I often tell myself what I wish people understood. What the thing I rarely say out loud is what I feel rejected when. I think you can. It's not only one thing. You can feel rejected at many times. You could write 5 points. I feel most hurt in. It can be when someone ignored your message. You could write 10 points in that. Don't think that it's a given one line, so I have to write only one line. No, you can write. And through this will map where what emotion is triggering you, what thing is hurting you, what you are trying to escape, what you are trying to think that it's okay, but it's not. Through this, you can help to know about your emotions, your triggers. You think that has been your shadow. You have been like constantly hiding these things, suppressing that thing. Okay, I feel rejected when what? I feel abandoned when I feel safest when. If I was not afraid of judgment, I would. One belief about myself struggle with is what that belief is. the emotion I avoid the most is, what emotion do you avoid the most is, what I need more of from others is, like, it's a whole sentence. You can write like a lot of things in this. There's not only hard and fast rule that only one sentence will come under this. What I need more of from others, what I need more of from myself. A childhood message I will still carries. What kind of childhood narration you had felt, that you still carry, that you still believe, that had been passed on from a generation to generation. Deep down, I wish I would tell someone, like I would, if like I would say, like in SFBT we said, like magical miracle question. Like imagine tomorrow is a day and whatever your problem you're having, it's completely vanished. You have the life that you wanted. What you will do? You can do that also. That if there is a miracle happen, like if some like fairy came and like see do, and all my problem like gone, like vanished, everything is good, whatever I was having a trouble, it vanished. What will the next step that I will do? What will the next thing that I will do? How my life will look like? And then that is your life. Stick to that life. That is has been always your life. That is a thing you are craving. That is a thing you have the potential to do. Stick to that plan. That is the schedule of your life. So you can do that also. So you do this. You can take a screenshot of this, complete a sentence. You can take a screenshot of this. Okay. Take a screenshot of this also. An activity one, you can do it. Okay. Okay. This one the easy one, but I thought that this one is kind of question one, so you can take your time, sit with emotion, write what you're feeling, and do that iceberg activity. I'm feeling hurt, abandoned, shame, whatever, just write it. If you want, you can send me personally also. Okay. If you think that you want to have a session with me, like I said, if you attend my 6 workshops, one I will give you one free session with me. Like one session with me is like for 1 hour, almost like 1 to 1.5 hours. So one session is free with me. But still you think that you need a like emergency support, you can message me, and prices are very reasonable, like one session 600 only. I have keep that in my mind. And if you're a student, I think it's like good, but if you still think that's too much, you can message me. If I feel that you really need the requirement of session, I will think of another way. But don't think that you're alone in the journey. I'm here for you. So my Hills is here for you. And thank you for joining the session. If you have not joined the WhatsApp community, please join the WhatsApp community. Please fill the feedback form. I will send you the certificate. Whoever has been in the session till, thank you for being in the session. I will